Where I am now. Hi, Charles here. I hope you had a great morning. It's a great Wednesday and I hope you choose to win today, right? So, alright, ang topic natin today is where I am now. Sana ba ako? So, trivia lang itong dinadaanan kong daan ngayon everyday. It used to be malubak, right? Talagang very struggling to for the tricycle na pumapasok dito, and hindi kami, parang ayokong nilalakad ko before, diba? And going to school talagang nagta-tricycle kahit hirap na hirap, but now through the years, as you can see, ano na siya, sementado na, diba? Maayos na. So just like my life now, I would say it's better, right? Growing up, I could say na with my parents, very struggling sila to send us to school. Tatlo kasi kami magkakapatid, and yeah, I could tell na talagang struggling sila, but one thing na I'm very proud with my mamang and papang is kahit nahirapan, punong-puno kami ng pagmamahal. Kaya for that, mang pang, I salute you, love you. So anyway, growing up nga, sabi ko, diba, parang mahirap ang buhay. Gaya nitong daan na to, mahirap din, malubak. So from elementary to high school and then college. So pumunta ako sa university, mas malayo dito syempre. Sa USM, shout out pala mga taga USM na nanonood nitong vlog na to. So I took up Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. So as you can see sa mga previous videos ko, I talk about finances kasi syempre in this modern day age, importante din naman talaga na maalam ka sa mga finances, and it's important especially sa mahal na mga bilihin ngayon, right? So anyway, fast forward, so nag-graduate na ako, and 3 days after my graduation, lumuwas ako Maynila, di ba? From a probinsyano to going to Manila. So imagine yung struggle ng mga times na yon na nasa Maynila ka, and I could imagine nung time na yun back in 2015. I have a friend shout out Chris for inaya mo ako mag Maynila, and it's been a whirlwind of experience. Like imagine ko pa nung wala akong maleta noon kasi talagang bag lang yung gamit ko. Yung kapatid ko tumaan may motor, so bag lang yung gamit ko, so 4 na bag. So imagine that. Nag-party ako from I think dun sa airport hanggang sa Ayala, kasi sa Makati kami nung nagstay. So talagang very mahirap, pero fast forward, nag-start ako sa call center. So ayun, somehow it helped, seeing my family now na we have the house, na nakapag-support na rin sa mga kapatid ko. So talagang grateful ako, and one thing that talagang thank God for leading me this way is nakakapag mga incentive pag travel like Boracay, Thailand, Brazil, mga ganon. So maraming nangyari. So parang masabi mo talagang gaya ng daan ang dinadaanan ko, malubak man, pero it gets better, diba? So ayun, kaya ikaw na nanonood ngayon dito sa akin, sorry maambang kwento to pero I hope you stay with me. Sana, I'm praying na, kasi dati ang pangarap ko talaga is pag lumuwas akong, nung probinsyano pa ako, hindi pa ako nalabas-labas dito, sabi ko, yayaman din ako gaya ni Henry C. or mas mayaman pa sa kanya, diba? Pero nung dumating ako Manila, isa lang pala akong tuldok. Ganon yung panlilit ko sa sarili ko. Pero who knows, diba? God can make great things. So I'm just so excited for yung kapalaran ko, diba? It's yet to unfold. Malay mo, who knows, this video would be a story in the future na wow, ito pala yung naging pangarap niya and natupad, and nagtiwala siya kay Lord. So ayun. Sobrang haba na. Anyways, thank you sa panonood sa video na to, and I hope as you go along your day today na mag-ingat ka, and sana somehow tong story na to, malubak man ngayon, hindi man okay, I know the next day or following days or years, right, things will get better for you, for us, and for everyone. Annyeong, bye bye.